Yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Aki. I'm Mozilla Community Manager for localization teams. Today I'm here at the local Mozilla event talking to the community members, introducing the news features like what we have, what we are working here. This is Boot to Gecko.
Good to Gecko, the mobile version.
This is the mobile OpenStack mobile
I see.
software that's being developed at Mozilla, and it uses HTML technologies that would enable web developers to actually write applications for phone. Today we are trying to develop applications. We are trying to localize Firefox into Indonesian
and Sundanese, right?
Sundanese.
Yeah. Because we are in Bandung, so we use translating into Sundanese.
What's going on right behind me?
There's the event.
We have been here for about 2 hours, and we have been learning how to translate Firefox, for instance, into Indonesian. How to customize the software in local language so that people who do not speak English and use local language can take advantage of the software. And that is a part of Mozilla mission, to keep web open and to influence life of everyone.
So
what we are doing here at the localization sprint is we take the software, Firefox, and we take all the language strings that are in English and we translate them into in the local language, Indonesian. And this we put it back into Mozilla, and then when the next release of Mozilla Firefox comes in, you can actually download it in Indonesian. And the contributions are not being developed somewhere. The contributions are being developed right here in Bandung by Mozilla Community. And these people would be using them when in the next exciting release of Firefox.
So from community and back to the community.
Back to the community. And this is a form of empowerment. We are not just users. We are changing the software right here, and we are being a part of a global community. Yes, this is the second event in this week. Last night we were in Jakarta. And,
So you travel from Jakarta
and so I'm traveling. I'm doing a couple of events. This is my first time in Indonesia. And I'm trying to meet local communities across Indonesia, and I'm really excited to sit here and work with the local community.
So how do you see the local community of Firefox in Jakarta and Bandung especially?
Well, I travel all around the world, and I haven't seen a community that's as exciting, as motivated as here. And what makes Indonesian Mozilla community different is they're extremely innovative.
I see.
And they keep coming with innovative ways of reaching.
Any specific sample about their...
Look, have you seen the Mozilla mascot, Kumi?
I see. It's the most famous mascot in the browser scheme.
Last week we were at Mozilla camp in Buenos Aires. And everyone were like excited about the really cute mascot Kumi, which was very popular, and everyone were like excited about it. And Mozilla community is really active. Right here behind me, we have a lot of students who are here, who are spending their weekend working on something because they are so motivated, and they would like to be part of this community. And what really makes a difference is that you are influencing the technology of tomorrow.
It's cool.
What we are doing, Mozilla Firefox is perhaps the most popular web browser on desktop. And we are making a foray into mobile space. So we have Firefox Mobile for Android. And also we are working on a new phone stack, which is largely in development right now, called Boot to Gecko. It's an open platform, completely written in HTML, CSS. So all these people who are familiar with web development can actually contribute, writing new applications. And also they can monetize it by submitting their application to new Mozilla market space.
I see.
It's a way of leveraging on your skills as a web developer into mobile space.
Mobile space. Yeah.
And not only that, we are exploring how we can test the nightly version of Firefox for mobile, Firefox for desktop, and Boot2Gecko, and report problems. And sometimes even, since I said some of the software is written in easy-to-read JavaScript, you can actually contribute.
I see.
So even if it's just one line, or if it is the feature request that you like, we write about it and we report it, and very soon everyone in the world who uses Firefox will be
developing
using your
it.
feature.
In 1 year.
It's a very young project. It was recently announced at the Mobile World Congress, and it's extensively being developed. A company in Europe, Telefonica, has announced that they're going to release a phone at the end of the year. So
and they're using the
Boot2Gecko, and we have to wait and see. Right now, it is really exciting to use Boot2Gecko because it is pushing the technology to the next level. Boot2Gecko has it takes advantage of web APIs that enable you to access your hardware. You can access
the camera,
the accelerometer,
and the pictures, something like that.
Yes, and even like NFC, right from JavaScript.
I see.
So this prevents, this really gives a lot of power in the hands of web developers. And also, this is the future of the web. And we want all these technologies to be available for everyone and not owned by one particular company or one web. Mozilla exists to keep web open, and it has made a huge impact in desktop space. And it will continue to have that impact. And we would like to do the same thing in mobile space.
I see.
And not only Mozilla has a lot of other projects. For instance, popcorn.js will enable visual artists to remix videos. We have pdf.js, which enables you to to render PDFs inside browsers. And we're working a bunch of new technologies that pushes the technologies to the next level. And at the same time, keeping the Mozilla manifesto of keeping the web open, and the users are at the center of our focus. And quite often we see and listen and try to develop technologies that actually make a positive social impact, and that is the most valuable.
Okay. Any last any closing statement for the viewers in Indonesia?
Well, you are the coolest.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Good luck for the event.
Thank you.
Yang ini. Baru lagi mas di BB. Nggak apa-apa kok itu udah.
Nggak ada lagi foto
PS-nya Mozilla.
Boot2Gecko. 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 Boot BOT.
Oh, nama engine-nya.
Gecko tokek. Pemilihan nama yang agak aneh.
Masih prototype sih. Email.
Ferry udah makan tadi.
Gue kalau ngirimin foto ini, kopi nggak? Ya gue udah kecil kan, kayak ini kan.
Enggak, maksudnya fotonya kecil, bukan order buat anak kecil.
Ngajar.
Enggak ini, anak polos.
Gimana makanya, gue bilang kan, bener kan? Polos, berapa? Bilang.
Hah?
Gue mana? Siapa tadi yang mau bilang?
Oh, iya nanti lah kalau gue
vlogger selalu siapin taplak untuk moto.
Kita tuh masih sering ini ya, biasanya kita yang sering